So most people solve this question like 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7, right? Then 14 divided by 2 and is equal to also 7. Now 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P, E, M, D, A, S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. In this question, here we have one division, here division, and here division. And all have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Divide by 14 divided by 2, right? Now 7 divided by 14 can be written as 7 upon 14 divided by 2, right? Now 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1 and 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2, right? So now we have 1 upon 2 divided by 2. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction as it is same, 1 upon 2. Then C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this second fraction, 2 is equal to 1 upon 2, right? Now 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1, then 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. So the correct answer is 1 upon 4, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Vidyaarthi Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.